Welcome to Front Page. A pleasure to have you with us. The dream was a very pristine digital clean slate. No Caesar-inducing banners, no soul-crushing pop-ups. Just you and the machine finally understanding one another. Well, look at the time. That dream just went up in smoke. The public didn't just complain, they let out a collective glass-shattering scream. The Super Bowl ads were a mockery, but OpenAI didn't so much as twitch an eyelid. They just bulldozed right over the critics and have given us the beautiful gift that keeps giving: ad-generated income, the real AGI we've all been waiting for. But you know what? OpenAI needs to drop the corporate act and put the cards on the table. This isn't some oopsie in the code. It's the master plan they've been brewing since day one. So if you're a free user or on the $8 Go plan, you are the product. Logged-in adults in the US are the first in the firing line. OpenAI promises three things. Number one, ads won't touch the answers. Number two, advertisers won't see your chats. And at number three, most importantly, trust is core. But you know what? Here's the snag. Trust is just like a glass trophy in a house full of monkeys. It's effortless to shatter and nearly impossible to glue back together. So let's just forget calling this a very simple software update. It's a flat-out survival tactic, the kind of frantic pivot you make when you realize the monthly rent is due and your bank account is showing single digits. And of course, we all know that ChatGPT isn't a social feed. We don't scroll past it while eating lunch. We actually pour our lives into it. We spill our deepest secrets, the spiraling debt, the chronic health scares, or the slow-motion train wreck of a failing relationship. And just as things get vulnerable, as they probably already have after I've read that list, the machine leans in with a sponsored link, lurking at the bottom like that one cousin we all have who tries to sell you a crypto scheme at a wedding. Well, look at the trend. Users begging ChatGPT to guess their vibe or roast their career. It's addictive, it's everywhere, and it's the ultimate digital ego boost. But isn't the irony staggering? We have gone from asking friends and actual living beings about who we are to asking a cluster of servers to define our existence. And the punchline? Well, that cluster of servers is already auctioning our personality and soul to the highest bidder. Anthropic spent $8 million on a Super Bowl spot. No fancy CGI, just a message. Claude will remain ad-free. It was a surgical strike. They mocked the awkward, badly targeted future. They didn't name OpenAI. They didn't have to. Sam Altman, of course, fired back. He called the ads dishonest. He called Anthropic's stance authoritarian. He says OpenAI is for the billions, not just the elite. But you know what? Wait. He promised never to inject ads inside answers, no? But today, they just kicked the doors wide open. Welcome to the great trust war. Anthropic is trying to be the foundation, the quiet, steady concrete holding everything up. But OpenAI is going for the total monopoly. They want to be the actual air that we breathe. Well, which, to be fair, is basically the air we breathe now, except instead of smog and dust, it's just 100% pure, unrefined ads. Well, this is how it works. OpenAI says they match the topic. Look at your past chats, look at what you have actually clipped before, and they claim it's aggregated data. No names, no memory access. One can even dismiss them. One can opt out. But then, of course, there's a tax. Opt out of ads and your daily message limit shrinks, which basically means our attention has a price tag. And with 800 million users, even a small exodus won't stop the mammoth machine. And of course, here is the front page take. Look, the question which is confusing the hell out of me is this. If we are truly on the verge of a godlike superintelligence that can solve the universe, why is it currently trying to sell you a discounted VPN? When the finish line is a digital deity, one doesn't stop to dig for loose change. One is almost excited to burn the house down to get there first. This annoying monetization strategy only happens, according to me, when you realize that the road ahead is actually long, brutal, and terrifyingly expensive. I feel the real hurdle here isn't the math. It's actually a monthly electricity bill that would make a Mumbai landlord faint. OpenAI didn't sell out. They picked a weapon: massive reach over purity. Anthropic chose a different mode: building trust over raw volume. Both, of course, are massive gambles. But once you let the advertisers into the room, the undo button breaks. The machine stops working for you and actually starts working for the guy paying the tab. So the point is free AI worth a privacy tax higher than a Bengaluru security deposit? That's what I would like for you to tell us in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.